This is how you should harvest your mint to ensure that your plant becomes bushier each passing day. Clip off about 4 centimeters of the plant, of the young shoot. You can either use your hand or use a scissors. As you do that, your plant will develop more stems from the points where you have removed the stem. Do not just pluck off the leaves like that, because that will cause stress to the plant and it will cause it to dry out, or it will cause your stems to become longer and longer, what we call legging, and eventually your mint plant will dry out. So just keep snipping off the tops like that, and in a week or so your mint plant will have developed more stems for you to enjoy. It is also important to harvest your mint in the morning when the dew has dried out but the sun is not too hot. At that time it normally has most of its flavor and it's releasing oil, so you will get more flavor from it at that point. If you're harvesting your mint for tea, it's just these stems that you're going to put in your cup. Put water over it, let it sit, or you can simmer it on low heat and then you can enjoy it. But if you're harvesting them for planting, you get this. Just remove the lower leaves just like that. I like leaving very few leaves. I snip off the leaves and then I put this in the ground. You can even reduce it a bit and put this in the ground, and this is what will grow. Remember, anytime you're harvesting your mint plant, do not harvest more than 2/3 of the plant to allow it to still have leaves to produce food for it to grow and keep growing. If you harvest more than 2/3, you're setting it up for failure.